SWS, di ba the daughter married a lawyer scientist, si Attorney Batong Bakal ba yun? Oo, i-refer ko kayo.
Thank you.
Para you get many sides of it, like scientist din. Tapos pwede rin ito, yun. Hala,
At
busy lang
saka
talaga
ano po
yun.
sana,
Yung ito,
community
yung
organizer po sana sa kanila.
COM.
Hindi na siya.
Oo, yung COM ha, yung multi-diversity.
Ito na.
I-recommend ko.
Para marami po sides. Tapos
PINSA.
budget na.
Oo. I would suggest PINSA, tapos Attorney Batong Bakal, so if you want a scientist, tapos ito, talagang, kasi halagang ito, lumapit kami, I approach them, kasi ito, this really needs hard science. In intergenerational justice, at saka yung advocacy, you need hard science to prove, to show to the policymakers na for example, the feasibility of the ring road dike, the feasibility, for example, measuring water quality and pollution within the lake. Diba? Or, kasi diba, in the Laguna Lake, there are competing concerns. Diba? One, gusto ng Maynilad to make Laguna Lake to be the main source, the water reservoir for the next 50 years. I think, for the next 50 years. So, it's a big issue na for the fisher folks. Kasi kasi it's shallow now. It's 5 meters na lang. Except for that mysterious place that talagang even the US divers cannot fathom the depth. No? So, if you take 100,000 or 1 million cubic meters a day, so, in terms of water justice, that's one. This ring road dike, di ba? Iba-ibang name. Tapos the fish pens. So we thought that so that it will not appear propaganda, lalo't NGOs, di ba, could be misconstrued as propagating an agenda, to allow the scientists to really explain geomatics and yun, the development of the lake. Then they could say, for example, review the carrying capacity of the lake. Di ba, now is LLDA said the carrying capacity of the lake, the fish carrying capacity is only 6,000 hectares. Pero now, with the legal fish pens, na sumusobra ang kanilang measurement, tas illegal pa, tas meron pang fish cages. Kasi iba pa ang fish pens yata, di ba? May fish cages na underwater pa.
Parang Kawayan style.
Kawayan, oo. So, and second, yung the feasibility of of their development plan. So we thought maybe you call this maps, geomatic maps.
Kagaya po kanina sabi niyo po, meron silang their own idea din nung dredging.
Oo. Parang suddenly, although ganito ha, lately nalaman ko din na may stages din sila of unity. Hindi kailangan, may ibang groups na parang ayaw, may iba okay sa dredging. So malalaman niyo rin yung anong diverse views nila dyan. Oo.
Excuse me, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ayaw nga pala ni Sir Gutierrez yung natin, conceptual. Masyadong kadami daw, di ba?
Kaya nga eh. Tapos kung isisingit pa natin to, kailangan talaga nating i-break down everything.
Hindi. Ito, i-incorporate na lang natin siya doon sa... Kasi di ba may 4 na criteria si Vice kung paano daw natin ba di-determine
So,
na may...
i-add natin siya.
Oo, kunyari sa survey, i-question natin. Kung,
Sino ba dapat?
parang basta i-incorporate natin ganun. Siguro, sasama siya doon sa 4 na criteria.
So sasurvey natin siya.
Siguro. Pero gusto ko nga sana maka-interview tayo ng isa sa LLDA kasi sila yung person talagang body there.
May pinresent kayo doon sa issues on late na hindi enough yung ginagawa ng LLDA. Na meron silang
Oo nga, may conflict na
may conflict sila.
Tapos alam mo, chinik ko talaga yung site nila. Wala silang na-mention dun tungkol sa mga fisher folk,
Kasi nga,
mga
parang
wala silang
contested
tie-up.
kasi ata kasi sila. Kaya, feeling ko kaya walang literature. Kaya hindi nila nilalabas.
Tsaka hindi talaga rights approach.
Ang original po kasi sana namin kung gusto namin i-find out kung may tie-up nga between the two. Pero wala po talaga nakitang that would answer that. Kaya
Kasi-
binitawan na po namin.
Oo, kasi yung...
Profit-oriented po yung mga projects ng LLDA.
Sa conclusion yun, no?
Pwede
Kaya
po.
hindi na lang po kami doon kasi parang given na siya.
Kasi, halimbawa, pati yung... Kasi syempre, mag-ibang paradigms talaga din ang NGOs na nag-adapt ng rights-based frame. Kasi pag rights-based frame, yung master plan nila should really involve, should be multi-stakeholder, di ba? Parang kami ngayon, hindi kami basta-basta nag-plan without them. So, the bottom-up approach or the real multi-stakeholder, you should really consider the grassroots. Eh, pati nga, galing ako ng Malaysia, they call it GO-NGO dialogue. Sabi ko, hindi talaga, kulang talaga, hindi talaga ito multi-stakeholder if you don't bring in the grassroots. Kasi pwedeng NGOs would dominate the agenda of the poor. O, all the more for a government agency. All the more for a... Tapos, lalo, like nalaman ko, di ba, syempre, kumupo sa LLDA, eh, galing din sa mga DNR. Di ba, may structure yan kasi under...
Kaya Costa.
Oh, Acosta. You don't fully exhaust. Parang can you imagine, no? It's the main source of water reservoir for the next 20, 30 years. Kausapin nyo kung kaya nyo kausapin ang Maynila. But if not, ganun yun for the next 10 years. Lalong bababaw. So maganda to, researchers, students, multi-stakeholders din. Ang society lang medyo malaki, pero okay yun, policy makers, local and international institutions. Tapos yun nga, local government. Like for example na lang yan, no? Parang magkano income ng LLDA doon sa kita, tas walang balik sa fisher folks, revenue, di ba? You get water, so dapat may revenue din. Pero paano siya bumabalik? What this? Congratulations, ha? This early? Intervention of government agencies.
Top notcher po yan.
Tapos, yung DILG, no?
Slow ako.
Lake. Maganda talaga itong may data, no? Economics of it. Saan kayo tayo makakuha ng data nito?
Yun nga po eh.
Pwede kayong pwede pang mag-interview, ewan ko kung may time pa kayo, NSCB. Yung sinabing 30% of GDP ba? Tanungin yung mamaya si Jaime. Galing sa Laguna Lake eh. O they supply the main source of fish supply sa Metro Manila population. Pero income,
Sa income lang.
oo. So, when it's not sustainable, then you also kill the lake. So, pwede rin policies. Kaya maganda to, may policy implication kasi if policies are not sound, then they will slowly kill the lake. Di ba? Kasi, alam mo, mas marami kayong maintindihan makuha pag silang kausapin.
Opo.
Okay? Let's taste one donut and then we go to the office.